Shifting our focus down south, in a huge relief for Tamil Nadu BJP chief K Annamalai, the Supreme Court has now extended the stay on the trial of a criminal case lodged against him for allegedly delivering a hate speech against Christian in an interview to a YouTube channel back in October 2022. Now, the case stemmed from allegations that Annamalai, in an interview with a YouTube channel 2 days before, in fact in 2022 Diwali, had said that Christian NGO was behind a legal challenge in the Supreme Court for the bursting of crackers, and especially during the festival of Diwali. And again, he had further allegedly said that this was a bid to attack the Hindu culture. In fact, our focus continues to be down south, and amid the embarrassment over his alleged obscene videos going viral, pressure has now mounted within the JDS for the suspension of Prajwal Revanna. JDS MLA Sharan Gowda Kandakur has now returned to Supremo and former PM HD Deve Gowda. The letter clearly states that the party is embarrassed by the videos that have been circulating and that it also damages both the former Prime Ministers and also the party's reputation. On the other hand, Kolar JDS MLA has also now given an ultimatum to the party to suspend Revanna and his son Prajwal, stating that the party will now have to choose between either their 19 MLAs or the father-son duo. But amid all the allegations, former Karnataka CM HD Kumaraswamy has now come out with a brazen defense, questioning the timing of the video leak. HD Kumaraswamy also went a step ahead to distance himself from the controversy, stating that there is no need to drag the entire family as this is a Revanna-related issue and that his family lives separately.
ಅದು 3 ದಿವಸಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಏನೋ ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟವರು ಯಾರು? 3 ದಿವಸಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನು? ಯಾವುದೋ ಹಳೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಎತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಎತ್ತಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಚುನಾವಣೆ 2 ದಿನ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮತದಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೇನೋ 25,000 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಏನೋ ಹಂಚಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. SIT ರಚನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. SIT ರಚನೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ತಪ್ಪುಗಳಿದೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಅನುಭವಿಸಲೇಬೇಕು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ. ಈ ನೆಲದ ಕಾನೂನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ನಾಯಕರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಕುಟುಂಬ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಯಾತಿಗೆ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
This is, of course, the JDS and Kumaraswamy reacting to this particular controversy which has absolutely erupted in the state of Karnataka. Meanwhile, politics has also erupted over the issue. The Congress has now staged a protest against the NDA. And in fact, the Congress is targeting the NDA alliance and also the Prime Minister directly over this issue. In fact, Congress is demanding answers from the NDA alliance.
ನನ್ನ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ತನಿಖಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ನಂದು ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ? ಅಶೋಕನ್ ನುಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ವಿಜೇಂದ್ರ ನುಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನುಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೋ, ಅವ್ರ ಕುಟುಂಬದ್ದು ಅವ್ರ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ NDA? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ BJP ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
Hassan MP was known for such antecedents in spite of letters being received by them from BJP functionaries, from BJP office bearers, that there are thousands of victims who have been abused by the Hassan MP. Still they went in and gave the ticket. They were so quick to capitalize on the Hubli murder case. Why are they so silent now? Why aren't they protesting in every town? Why aren't they protesting in every village like they did during the Hubli murder? In spite of knowing the facts that Prajwal Revanna was into these things, they went ahead and gave him the ticket. They campaigned for him. They ensured that he's fled the country also. So I'm directly blaming the BJP on this front.
पहले ही अमित शाह जी को और पहले ही कर्नाटक के जो बीजेपी के अध्यक्ष है विजेंद्र को पता था ऐसा सीडी है, ऐसा फिल्म है, ऐसा वीडियोस है करके, क्योंकि उनके खुद के जो देवराज गौड़ा करके जो हासन का बीजेपी लीडर, खुद इन्होंने विजेंद्र को लेटर भी लिखा था और खुद जाकर मिलके बात भी किए थे. और उससे ज़्यादा जब अमित शाह मैसूर में टूर था तब प्रीतम गौड़ा करके बीजेपी का जो एक्स एमएलए है आरटी रामास्वामी दोनों जाके अमित शाह जी को ये समझाए थे ऐसा ऐसा है, आप अलायंस मत करो, उससे हमको नुकसान होगी, फायदा नहीं होगी। ये सब जानकारी उनको होने के बावजूद अमित शाह जी ने और नड्डा जी और हमारी प्रधानमंत्री कैसे अलायंस पार्टनर किए।
My colleague Neha joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Neha, this is of course a row which has escalated, and with every passing day now the Congress is putting more and more pressure on the NDA alliance. While on one hand JDS is trying to of course downplay the situation, the Congress is making sure that they don't just attack the JDS but also drag BJP into this matter so that this issue reverberates nationally as well.
Well, that's right, Ashish. In fact, a very sharp attack there by the Congress party, even demanding that the Prime Minister break off the alliance right now BJP has with the JDS, raising questions about why neither the Prime Minister nor the Home Minister nor the Women and Child Development Minister there, Smriti Irani, or anybody else for that matter, has spoken up on this issue. We've seen a very, of course, heated war of words over here between the parties as far as the Neha murder case was concerned in Hubli. But as far as, of course, this particular issue over here is concerned, of the NDA candidate there, Prajwal Revanna from Hassan, these videos that have now surfaced, it seems like the partners right now of the BJP and the JDS, have of course chosen to distance themselves from this. We heard from Kumaraswamy there. He's of course raised a question about why family is being dragged into this and the fact that, it's not right for them to be defaming either him or his father, Deve Gowda. Now we of course, from the others as well, from the opposition, as far as the Congress leaders over here in the state are concerned, they've definitely gone on to, the ante now against the BJP. The JDS raising questions about what sort of candidates are being fielded and whether the BJP, of course, High Command knew about this earlier, then why is it that they still chose to field him from Hassan? Of course, all of these questions need to be answered, Ashish, but while the SIT is probing the matter on one hand, it seems like politically the issue is only going on to snowball into something much bigger.
Right, Neha, even as we speak right now, do hold on with us. Let's also listen into one of the reactions that's coming in right now. And this is very big because this is HD Revanna who's reacted to this entire controversy and defended his son, calling this entire row a conspiracy and also a bid to attack his party. He's also said that the decision to take his son out of the party will be taken by the High Command, which is his father and his brother. Listen into this reaction coming in. First reaction, in fact, coming in from HD Revanna, who's the father of Prajwal Revanna.
ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಎದುರು ಅವರು ಏನಿದೆ ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದೋ 4 ವರ್ಷ 5 ವರ್ಷದ್ದು ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಾನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು SITಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಮುಜುಗರ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಏನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಈಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಜಕೀಯದ ಇದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ.
Neha continues to be on the broadcast with us. Neha, this is the first reaction from HD Revanna that we just heard. Our viewers, of course, will be thinking as to what exactly is happening in Karnataka, because now a very serious allegation coming to the fore against HD Revanna and his son, and now he's just said that this is mere politics that is playing out and that he and his son are not at all involved. Help us understand how exactly is this going to pan out for the JDS, which of course is looking to retain its seat.
Well, Ash, very interesting question you've raised there. Of course, we're seeing that the BJP and the JDS would both have been backing each other. They both would have been dependent on each other, of course, to try and bag a majority this time around in the Lok Sabha elections. Remember, we've of course seen that even as predictions right now have possibly suggested that there would be a dip in the number of seats right now for the BJP, the fact is that they were relying on the JDS, especially as far as, the regions of Old Mysuru and now, of course, Hassan too is concerned. However, this latest development now, of course, raising a lot of questions. We heard from HD there, where he went on to suggest that, this is nothing but a mere conspiracy. When asked about where Prajwal Revanna is right now, the opposition, of course, Congress party right now has alleged that HD Revanna's son, Prajwal Revanna, is reportedly absconding in Germany, is what they've gone on to allege. When he was asked about this, he's very evidently said that, there was a planned trip, he's gone on the trip, and be coming back when he's summoned for investigation. At this point, of course, Ashish, it really remains to be seen, with the state government having formed an SIT to probe this, where this matter proceeds forward so close, of course, in fact, in the election season right now, how this matter goes forward remains to be seen.
Right, Neha, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast. And of course, this is something